Hello everyone, in this demo I will cover the design of a character for an illustration. You can probably translate some of it to any sort of design for game, movies and whatnot, but there are some specific to those areas that may have different approaches or simply different needs. And I wanted to focus on the illustration format and design it for it, since it is my area of expertise and what I do 99% of the time. I will share with you what helps me to find better ideas, my thought process, and some cool tips and tricks to find colors and variations. There is also a bonus time-lapse video of me cleaning up the design for a more presentable final image. So there won't be that much of commentary on that one because it's mostly just me drawing again. But yeah, so let's get to it.